Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen burrito enchiladas. First, gather your ingredients, including your favorite frozen burritos, enchilada sauce, and any desired toppings like cheese or sour cream. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish to ensure your enchiladas don't stick. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's assemble these delicious enchiladas. Carefully arrange your frozen burritos in a single layer within the greased baking dish. Make sure they fit snugly but aren't overcrowded. Next, pour your favorite enchilada sauce evenly over all the burritos, ensuring they are well covered. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese, about 1.5 cups, over the top for that perfect melty finish. It's time to bake your enchiladas to perfection. Place the baking dish into your preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is bubbly and golden brown and the burritos are heated through. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This helps the flavors meld and prevents burns. Serve hot and enjoy. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your frozen burrito enchiladas. Feel free to customize them by adding extra fillings like black beans, corn, or diced onions before baking. You can also experiment with different types of cheese, such as Monterey Jack or a Mexican blend, for varied flavor profiles. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated on the go, please see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.